Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the concept of energy in simple harmonic motion. And very easy thing, only two formulas you must remember. Total energy, we know that it is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, and that is a constant. This we have learned in the work energy power chapter itself. Now, what is the potential energy formula? You must remember 1 by 2 m omega square x square, where this m omega square is k into x square. This x is the displacement. Okay, and kinetic energy is 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus x square. A is the amplitude and d is the displacement, which is equal to 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square, where k is m omega square. Okay, so this formula and this formula, only these two formulas you must remember. And total energy is sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to 1 by 2 k a square. So 1 by 2 k into square of amplitude. Okay, and time period of total mechanical energy is infinite. So this point you must remember, time period of total mechanical energy is infinite. Potential energy 1 by 2 kx square, kinetic energy 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square. Okay, and total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, kinetic energy, so if suppose kinetic energy is minimum, then potential energy will be maximum, and if kinetic energy is maximum, potential energy will be minimum, and it will be a constant. This is the law of conservation of energy. Now let us work out the numerical. Particle execute SHM with amplitude A, time period t. Okay, when the displacement from the equilibrium is half of the amplitude, so displacement is half of the amplitude, what fraction of total energy are kinetic and potential energies? So what is the potential energy formula? 1 by 2 k into x square. So 1 by 2 k into displacement is a by 2 the whole square, so which is 1 by 2 k into a square divided by 4, so which is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 k a square, so which is 1 by 4th of total energy, that is nothing but 25% of total energy is potential. Then let us work out the kinetic energy. Formula is 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square. So 1 by 2 k into a square minus a by 2 the whole square, so which is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 k a square, so which is 3 by 4th of total energy, which is 75% of total energy is kinetic. And this is the previous year question and common type of question, you must remember. Okay, now at what displacement from equilibrium kinetic and potential energy are equal? Given kinetic and potential energy are equal, so 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square is the kinetic energy, and 1 by 2 k x square is the potential energy. 1 by 2 k and k get cancelled. A square is equal to 2x square. So a square by 2 is the x square, and x is equal to plus or minus a by root 2. So at this distance from the equilibrium, kinetic energy and potential energy are equal, and this is also a common type of question they ask. Now let us see the next numerical. A particle is executing SHM with kinetic energy is k naught sine square omega t. Kinetic energy is k naught sine square omega t. Maximum values of kinetic energy and potential energy they are asking. So when total energy, we know that it is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, so see the maximum value of sine theta is 0, sorry, minimum value is 0, and maximum value is 1. So kinetic, when potential energy is minimum, kinetic energy will be maximum. Okay, when the potential energy will be minimum, when kinetic energy is maximum. So maximum value of sine theta is 1. So k naught sine square omega t. If this is 1, then kinetic energy is maximum, which is the k naught. So total energy is equal to k naught. Now what will be the maximum value of potential energy they are asking. So potential energy is maximum. The similar, when sine square omega t is 1, potential energy is maximum. So maximum value of potential energy is also k naught. So total value of maximum energy they are asking. Total value of maximum energy is kinetic energy maximum plus potential energy minimum, or kinetic energy minimum plus potential energy maximum. So kinetic energy maximum is k naught, and what is the minimum value of potential energy? Potential, when sine square omega t is 0, potential energy will be 0. That is the minimum value of potential energy. So it is 0. So maximum value of total energy is also k naught. So maximum value of kinetic energy is also k naught. Maximum value of total energy is also k naught, and maximum value of potential energy is also k naught. And let us see the next video. Mass m oscillate SHM between 2 point x1 and x2. Equilibrium position O. Potential energy U versus position graph. This is a APMT question. So what is the potential energy formula? 1 by 2 kx square. So since x, whatever be the value of x, either it is positive or negative, since there is a square term, potential energy is always positive. So here we are taking potential energy along the y-axis and position along x-axis. So see that whenever its value will be, so if you see, whatever value of x you take, it will be always positive. On, let this be x2, this be x1. Whatever be the value of x2 you take, as you increase the value, potential energy will also increase. And similarly, when you increase the value of x1 also, if x1 is negative also, since the potential energy is 1 by 2 k x1 square, it will be positive. And when you increase the x1 value on the negative side also, the potential energy keeps on increasing and it is a positive value. So potential energy versus position graph is the first option, A graph. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.